Hi everyone, Happy New Year to all of you out there. Today, after 8 months of lockdown, we are going on a trip, a small trip to the Machan, Lonavala. So let's see how things goes on. We have to take all the safety measures, wear your mask, always keep your hands clean, take the sanitizer with you. So let's start the journey. We have crossed Pune and this is the first toll naka. A beautiful, nice, big tunnel on the way. We reached Lonavala, full of mountains and greenery. The weather is quite pleasant. We reached the Machan. Inside the Machan, we are going to park our cars. We parked our cars and we are walking towards the lobby. Now we are going for the check-in. The lobby was not much crowded. There was this board about what to be done the full days. They gave us the keys nicely sanitized. Not many people around. The lobby looked quite neat and clean. Sanitizers kept everywhere. The lobby leads to a extension to a pond where there is a small sitting area. Wherever your eyes goes, it is full of mountains, greenery, forest, big trees. It was wonderful. Plants were very nice, very thick. Now we are proceeding towards the food area, lunch. We are superb hungry. It's already 2:30. So we were guided by a bellboy to the lunch area. There were slabs kept for making our walk comfortable through the forest. Wow, the lunch area was nicely sanitized. See how efficiently the work was going on. Not much crowded. There was a buffet laid down. Not much people around. People were given slots for lunch and breakfast. My husband was provided a Jain thali with rice, papad, dahi, paneer, palak, dal tadka, gulab jamun, salad, and I had my non-veg chicken pasta, and of course my favorite caramel custard and brownie. Now after the nice hearty lunch, we are proceeding to our room. We had this room as Starlight Machan. The sticker there shows that the room is nicely sanitized and well checked. This is the Starlight Machan. Wow, superb. Just look at the room. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. This is the bathroom, a huge bathroom. Everywhere wooden walls, wooden cupboards. Wow, this is an open bath. Of course, nobody can see you from anywhere, so it's okay. The basin, the mirrors, everything was so perfect, so neat and clean. The bed was huge. Wow. Table, sofa sets. Let's go out to the balcony. Wow, it has a huge bathtub, big balcony, sitting area, chairs. The view is superb. Mountains, jungles, big trees. This is the first floor. The stairs lead you to the second floor. This has 2-bedroom villa and a swimming pool. So this is the second room. You get a different feeling, a feeling that you are staying in the jungle with a king queen life. Wow. The room is so beautiful. There is another bathroom here. So 2-bedroom, 2 bathrooms. Now this stairs lead you to the swimming pool, your own private swimming pool. So we have 2-bedroom and 1 swimming pool in this villa. This is called Starlight Machan. Wow. The water was clean. This is the sitting area. You can enjoy your snacks or just chill around. Now it's already 5 o'clock. So we are going out just to explore the hotel. This is the dinner area, the sunset point. So back to my room, I'll show you something beautiful magic. The roof opens in this villa. Actually, with the remote control, I can open the roof. Just look. Wow, I'm under the sky. It's so lovely. I'm enjoying myself. Open air. So what can I say about this? This is wonderful, magnificent, superb, mind-blowing. I'm under the sky. So nice, a different type of feeling. I can't express myself how it is. We all had a great time in the villa. Today is the second day. We are out for breakfast. The breakfast was good with sausages, idli and variety of things. So we really enjoyed. This is the site of the pond. So we had heard near to this resort there is this Korighat fort. So we are just going to explore the fort. Back to our parking slot. So going to see how the fort is. Again going out through the bushy roadway. So out of Machan. The view is mind-blowing. Roads are very comfortable. When we reached the fort, it was so stony and uneven. That's the fort up there. We decided not to climb so much. We saw some local boys very happy to see us. So it's evening, 5 o'clock. We all gone for a jungle trail with few people from the hotel and a guide. The roads are rough, but okay, it's still fun. So we all walked for nearly 1 hour, passing the Machan jungle villas. We were 7 to 8 people, not many people. The deep forest. Then we saw many ant hills on the trail. Big and small ant hills. Mushroom growing on the trees was something new which I had never seen. So we end with the sunset point. You can see the sun going behind the mountains. Lovely, beautiful. Wow. So today is the last day. So we'll be signing out. So hope you enjoyed my video. So please kindly subscribe, like and share my video, and I'm sure I'm going to come back to Machan once more. So thank you everyone, enjoy and happy new year once again. Bye bye.